Hi everyone! Today, I'm excited to introduce a budget-friendly body camera. Let's unbox it together. Inside the box, you'll find a user manual with all the necessary information about the camera. There's a clip that you can use to attach the camera to your shoulder, chest, or hip. You'll get a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging the camera and transferring files to your computer without removing the SD card. And there is a charging stand. You can charge your camera by putting it here. Now, let's explore the features. Here, you can see the power button, IR button, photo button, audio button, and video button. On the back, there's a 2.4-inch LCD screen with a touch-control navigation bar and menus. On the side, you'll find the SD card slot and USB-C port. This port is used for both charging and file transfer. To turn the camera on, press and hold the power button for 1 to 2 seconds. Take a look at the stunning video quality. Thanks to the CMOS sensor, you'll capture true 4K footage. You can change the photo and video resolution in the settings. To capture a photo, press the photo button once. To record audio or video, press the respective button and press again to stop. Finally, the IR button lets you turn infrared mode on or off with a single press. This is one of our best-selling models. The body is made from strong ABS plastic. It's IP68 waterproof and extremely easy to use. If you'd like to buy this camera, contact us today. Thanks for watching.